In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to a specific page in Systemi.io. This is a quick and fundamental step to better understanding your website traffic and improving your marketing strategies. Let's dive right into the process and break it down into easy, manageable steps. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Google Analytics account. This is the hub where you'll set up and gather information about the users visiting your site. Once you've logged in, locate and click on the Create option, which allows you to set up a new property, a crucial step in tracking the specific system you're working with. Next, go ahead and click on Property and enter Systemi.io as the property name. This will help you easily identify your specific analytics within the Google Analytics dashboard. After naming your property, click Next. You'll then be asked to choose the business size, which typically depends on the scale of your operations. Don't worry if you're unsure about the exact size. Your choice here mainly helps Google tailor recommendations and features to suit your needs. Following that, you'll need to select the industry category that best represents your business. Again, this helps Google provide relevant insights for your website traffic. Once you've made your selection, hit Next again. The subsequent step requires you to define your objectives for using Google Analytics. This involves thinking about what exactly you're hoping to achieve or understand better, such as tracking conversions, understanding visitor behavior, or simply monitoring traffic flow. Once you've set your objectives, click Create to finalize your setup. After this, you'll be asked to choose a platform. Since we're focusing on a web page within Systemi.io, you'll naturally choose the web option. Then it's time to enter the website URL of your Systemi.io domain name. Make sure this is accurate so you don't run into any issues with data collection later on. You're nearly there. Click on Stream Name and enter Systemi.io once more for easy identification. Then go ahead and hit Create Stream. This step finalizes your connection between Google Analytics and your website and allows for data streaming. After setting up your stream, you will be presented with the web stream details page. Here you can find your unique tracking code. This is what allows Google Analytics to communicate with your system.io page, so you'll want to copy this tracking code carefully. Now navigate over to your system.io account and go to the settings. Once there, click on Sales Funnel, where you can paste the tracking code you copied earlier. This embeds the necessary code into your site, allowing Google Analytics to monitor and collect data about your page visitors. Finally, hit Save to ensure all your changes take effect. And there you have it. That's how you add Google Analytics to a specific page in Systemi.io. Make sure everything is working smoothly by checking back in your Google Analytics dashboard to look for incoming data. This setup empowers you to gather valuable insights that can significantly influence your marketing and business decisions. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.